Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use the crypto COM card. First, ensure your physical card is activated within the crypto COM app. You can easily load funds onto your card using various methods, including fiat currency or supported cryptocurrencies. Once funded, your crypto COM Visa card functions like a standard debit card, allowing you to make purchases online or in store wherever Visa is accepted globally. It's a straightforward way to spend your crypto. Funding your crypto COM card is simple. You can top it up directly with fiat currency through a bank transfer, linking your bank account for easy deposits. Alternatively, convert supported cryptocurrencies from your crypto COM app wallet directly to your card balance. Remember, the card operates on a prepaid basis, so always ensure you have sufficient funds loaded before attempting any transactions to avoid declines. Using your crypto COM card allows you to spend effortlessly and earn rewards. You'll receive cashback on eligible purchases, with the percentage depending on your specific card tier. All your transactions and accumulated rewards are easily trackable within the crypto COM app. This makes managing your spending and seeing your benefits incredibly convenient, turning everyday purchases into opportunities to earn more crypto. It's a smart way to maximize your spending. Always be aware of your daily spending limits and ATM withdrawal limits, which vary by card tier. For enhanced security, enable two-factor authentication within the crypto COM app to protect your funds. Also, for those looking to simplify their routine, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Using your card wisely ensures a smooth and secure experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.